We are donating infection prevention and control materials in the form of buckets, knapsack sprayers, detergent, etc. that will help to prevent and control disease infection at health facility level in the LGS and wards. The reason for this is that even though we are providing health services, we need to improve the quality of the health services that are being provided. And with this infection prevention, we can go a long way in ensuring the quality of services that are being provided at the health facilities in terms of providing the water. Patients need clean water, a clean environment so that they come there sick, they should not also be infected when they are there. Waste management so that the environment is also clean. Sanitation management so that they are living in a facility that is clean and sanitized so that they cannot get more infections while they are there. We can see, for instance, we have acute watery diarrhea right now. These materials can help in preventing acute watery diarrhea. We can also see that we have so many mothers dying while they are delivering at the health facility. In Nigeria, every 7 minutes, a woman dies because she's giving birth. And mostly, maybe it's because of the environment she's delivering in or the safety of the equipment that they are using for delivery. And that's why we are providing these services. We are targeting all the 27 LGS, and we have over 200 health facilities in the 27 LGS that will benefit from this donation.
On behalf of the government of Borno State, as the General Manager of Ruwasa Borno State, through which UNICEF is implementing her WASH projects, I have to say thank you very much to UNICEF for what UNICEF has been doing to the state. UNICEF has been supporting Borno State government through provision of water, sanitation, and hygiene services across the state. We want to achieve a very clean, well-sanitized primary healthcare centers across the state because of the gaps identified in the studies I told you. You know, we need well-sanitized healthcare centers. We need healthy patients as well as healthy primary healthcare staff.